Welcome back to Start Living Now. Today, we're exploring some of Southwest New Brunswick's most breathtaking natural scenes. From windswept shorelines, lookouts, to serene coves and cascading waterfalls. Join me as we uncover the beauty of Maces Bay, the calm of Boyles Cove, and the power of Lepreau Falls. Our journey begins at Maces Bay, a coastal lookout perched above the Bay of Fundy, a place where the tides tell a story all their own. Here, the water stretches wide and wild, sculpting the shoreline with every rise and fall. Whether you're flying a drone or just taking in the views of Maces Bay, is a front row seat to nature's endless motion. Next, we head just a short distance into Boyles Cove, a gentle contrast to the bay's energetic waters. Here the landscapes soften into quiet coves, calm watered inlets, and peaceful forests. This hidden gem feels like stepping into a secret corner of nature where every ripple and bird call adds to the calm. This summer has been especially dry here in New Brunswick, and Lepreau Falls looks a little different than it normally would. Instead of a powerful rush of water, the falls flow gently, revealing the rock formations, textures, and pathways that are usually hidden beneath heavier water. In moments like this, the landscapes invite you to slow down. You can see how the water has carved its way through the rock over time, shaping this place long before we arrived. Whether flowing strong or gently like today, Lepreau Falls remains a special part of New Brunswick's natural landscape. Even in a quieter season, Lepreau Falls has its own kind of beauty, calm, reflective, and peaceful. It's a reminder that nature is always changing, and every visit tells a different story. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you loved exploring these hidden gems with me, hit the like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment telling me where I should explore next here in beautiful New Brunswick.